another one.
As far back as I can remember, I always wanted to be a...
Hey, so today we have a very special video. We are in Southern California, just went from Vegas, touched down SoCal. We are in the newest hotel and casino in all of California, the Yaamava. So for those unfamiliar with Yaamava, I'll give you a brief history lesson. So this place was originally known as the Sandman Well Casino. It originally started as just a bingo hall in 1986 and kind of built its way up into this really popular casino in Southern California. Fast forward to today, December 13th, 2021, it's rebranded as the Yaamava Hotel and Casino. Now, the Sandman Well was just a casino. It didn't have a hotel attached to it. But right now, Yaamava is officially the first hotel and casino here. So the Yaamava is a 17-story hotel that I'm currently sitting in. I'm the first one ever to stay in this room right here. The Yaamava reached out to me and Greta. They invited us for the grand opening ceremony, and we're staying the next 2 nights. There's gonna be a big party and performances and food and all sorts of really cool stuff going on. So we're really excited to be here. Let's get started. So I'm gonna show you the room in very high detail in a second, but first, we do have a lot of stuff waiting for us. We have, oh, this is cool. VIP lanyards, and they're, can you knock on that, Greta? It's like, it's metal, looks pretty cool. So there's that, and there's some other stuff we gotta open up. Chris and Greta, welcome to Yaamava Resort and Casino. We are so excited to have you here, and I look forward to meeting you, the PR team. Oh, nice. The Pines Modern Steakhouse, a card for the Pines, and a gift card. $150 voucher, redeem at his, hers, or cash and carry. So $100 free play here and $150 voucher. I think this is for shopping. This is for gambling. Okay, here's a room tour. And now, here's the view. Yeah, I think most of the people right now for the grand opening are media related or you know, influencers, whatever. So we have like a little bit of a gathering in the lobby, and then we go outside for the ceremony. Thank you. So I've been to a few grand openings of casinos in the past couple years, but I've never actually been like invited to them. So I'm actually pretty excited.
I would first like to welcome all San Manuel tribal citizens and their families to this new resort. We hope you like it. One.
So the opening ceremony is over. Miguel is performing outside. We just watched a few of his songs. Now we're taking a lap around the casino for the first time. This place is packed, massive, and beautiful.
We're going to sleep. We're going to sleep.
Long day, long day. We're on our way to get the tour. I like that mask.
Yeah, it's nice.
So if you have no questions at this time, and if you're ready, I will take you on the tour. Thank you so much. Right this way.
You guys like to sit out here, enjoy the view. Under normal circumstances, you can see all the way to the mountains, and the reservations are all right here. One of the
Ooh, it opens. This is a locker room for wine bottles. Never seen that before. So we're taking a tour of the top floor right now, showing some really, really beautiful bars. And apparently there's 2 bottles on the bar counter over here that for a shot of one of the bottles is $5 grand and the other one's over $400. I don't know what the heck. So we just got a tour of a nice 2-bedroom suite on the top floor, but the penthouse is down there and that's what I really want to see. So I think we're going to see if we can try to get a tour of that later. So we're still on the tour. Right now we're in what's known as the Vault, which is one of their high limit rooms. Apparently they have 5 high limit rooms in this casino. So I think the Vault is their biggest high limit room overall, which it's gigantic, but I can't believe there's 4 more.
And games up here are high volume games as well. So what we will have is we'll have players that will want to have a space where they can kind of be in their own area.
They have a special VIP room for, you know, celebrities, high profile people. And there's even like a secret entrance where you can kind of avoid being seen to get into the VIP room.
It's right outside the elevator, which is perfect for VIPs and, you know, famous people.
Very Vegas-esque.
Just lift the latch and let her waft in.
Ooh,
Gorgeous.
that's crazy.
We just finished the tour. We pit stopped back in our room, but now we're going downstairs to be escorted up to the penthouse. So we're going to check out the penthouse next. So, penthouse, pretty amazing. It also comes with a balcony. So the penthouse was absolutely fire. And the cool part too is that the penthouse and the standard room have a lot more in common as far as quality goes. Whereas in other hotels, I've seen amazing penthouses, but the standard rooms are nothing like it at all. You know, the standard room is comparable, you know, as far as the style, furniture, quality, everything. So that's really cool to see, you know. Give me your hand. Let's go spend some money. Okay, so we have $100 in free play, and we have $150 to use towards shopping at some of the outlets here. So we're going downstairs. We're going to spend that money dough. All right, got my player's card. I got my $100 on the player's card.
Wow! Should we cash out?
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So we're trying to figure out how to spend this $150 that they gave us. There's only a few retail shops here, and they're all very expensive. Literally, just look at this clip. How much does this cost? $23,000. What is it made out of?
Crystal.
So we did find this cool sweatshirt. Golden Knight sweatshirt was exactly $150, the amount of money we were given. So they only have medium or large. So I'm gonna try the medium on, see if it fits. It's a little big, but I'll take it. Free is free. We're up, we're about to leave now and head back to Vegas. And it's finally starting to look like California out there. Hi, room. I missed you. So I'm back home now, back in Vegas. It was an amazing experience to be invited at the grand opening of Yaamava. I was really impressed with the property. Pretty much impressed with my entire stay, everything about it. One thing I didn't mention though was the meal, the dinner we had on our last night there. We're on our way to the Pine Steakhouse now for dinner.
Look at that, heels. Never do that. So.
We were invited to their premier restaurant, which is the Pines, which is their steakhouse. And they told us on the tour that the Pines is an award-winning restaurant. It has like one of the best wine selections out of any restaurant. And so they invited us and all the influencers to have one big dinner session together, which was really interesting. The dinner was amazing. We didn't even have to order. They just gave us all sorts of different courses, one after the other. I got a ton of clips here to show you, boom, boom, boom. So that was really cool. But that's it. that's it, guys. Amazing time in Yaamava. Shout out to Yaamava. If you're in California, this might be the best casino in all of California. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe. And have a good day.